From 62 years of independence, we have achieved literacy of 61%. And we are world's 30% of illiterates are in India. So, what is that happening? What is that each one of us can make a drastic change? It is the vision of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, who is inspiring all of us to take a oath that each one teach that. And these are the change agents. These are the links from the corporations, from the institutions, from everywhere, linking all the change agents like a diamond supply and demand chain, using these children as a change agents, as a resource cadre. How we can solve all the perennial problems of this nation. So this Lead India is taking up a cause this year to eradicate illiteracy in India, and for that Andhra Pradesh is taken as an experimental case study, and in Karimnagar, in Sultanabad, in 45 days these change agents have changed 749 illiterates as literates. That has given a confidence to us as well as to the government that using the children as a change agent, we can solve the illiteracy problem. That is where we are all appealing to all of you. Let us all come under one umbrella. At the time Gandhiji has given Fit India as a call, whole of the nation has come under one umbrella. We have strengthened ourselves. Today also, that sort of a national vision is missing, national goal is missing. That is what Dr. Kalam sir is appealing to all of us. Can we come like that under one umbrella and say beyond caste, region, religion that I am an Indian first? So in that regard, it is Hyderabad Software Exporters Association is coming together under one umbrella. As about 300 corporate companies coming and offering partnership with the Lead India, there is a big change. Now I request HISIA President Narasimha Rao Garu to give his valuable message.
Honorable Dr. Kalam and dignitaries on the dais and of the dais and my dear students, I represent the 260,000 strong IT workforce in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we are extremely delighted to be partnering with Lead India 2020 Foundation to work for nation building. As IT industry, we have strong dependence on the youth of this country. Equally, we believe that we have a huge responsibility, also huge power vested with us to transform the society. And we are looking for partners like the Lead India Foundation to translate the resources we have into visible change on the ground. And I'd like to thank Lead India 2020 for giving us an opportunity to work with them. All of us have witnessed the devastating floods in the state of Andhra Pradesh, which happened a couple of months back. And the CSR forum, which consists of members from various IT companies from HISIA and NASSCOM, has been working on various activities for flood relief and rehabilitation. One of the areas which is very important in any of these natural calamities happen is how do you bring normalcy back, and very importantly we need to ensure that we invest the future. And one of the areas where the CSR forum of the industry is working on is in building the education infrastructure. And that is where we are actively wanting to partner with Lead India, where we take our resources, our manpower, our ideas collectively on the ground and ensure that we are able to rebuild some of this education infrastructure. As the first step towards our partnership with Lead India 2020, I'd like to announce that we are contributing about 1,600 education learning kits from our side, from our member companies. This is the first step. We look forward to a lot more activities where we can jointly partner with Lead India. We have a lot of expectations, we have a lot of resources, we have a lot of hope that we can do our bit to the society and we're able to work towards nation building. Thanks once again for giving us this opportunity. Personally, thanks Lead India for giving me an opportunity to share a dialogue with Dr. Kalam. It's indeed one of my memorable events in my life. Thank you.